I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. We're going to show you how to install a BMP-029. Greg, what's this fit?
This will fit a 1978 to 87 Chevy El Camino. This is the radiator support to the hood bumper.
Check our website for complete make, model, year information. Let's get started.
We're going to start the removal of the bumper by cutting an X into it. We also like to note that there are two of these, one on each side of the vehicle, and they are located on the top of the radiator support at the corners of the hood. What I'm doing is I'm cutting down to the metal reinforcement structure that holds this bumper in place. Something a little stiffer. These parts get pretty caked on. Basically what you end up having is a flat, kind of like a washer type of situation that this bumper wraps around. We'll go ahead and remove as much debris as we can. Looks like we got almost all of it off. Now we'll get ready for the reinstall. I wanted to show you the profile of the part using the old one we took off. There's actually a channel inside here, which is underneath this edge of this bumper. And that has to fit over the edge of this metal structure. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some foaming glass cleaner on here. I'm going to start on one side of that metal structure. I'm going to lift up this side to bring it over that other edge. Give it a couple twists. I should not be able to pull this straight off because it should be wrapping itself around that metal flange. Just kind of feeling around the edge. And that's fully installed. And that wraps up the install of our BMP-029. Thanks for watching.